In other news, Malacanang has assured the public that the government is working to reduce electricity rates. This comes amid growing concerns over the system loss charge, which has become a major issue for consumers. IBC correspondent Harley Valbuena has the details.
A small sari-sari store is the only livelihood of Salve. Hence, she struggles on paying the bills in their household, including the system loss incurred on her electric bill.
Bakit ganun? May binabayaran kaming hindi namin alam, di ba? Gigising ka ng maaga, maghanap buhay para lang may pambayad ng kuryente.
After the meeting of the Department of Energy, Energy Regulatory Commission, NEA, and other electric cooperatives, the ERC said they are now focused on lowering the power rates, especially the rates of Meralco.
Diniscuss natin with Meralco nang sa ganon ay magkaroon ng kaunti o bahagyang mitigation yung pagtataas na ito.
The ERC also continues active monitoring against abusive distribution companies as it issues a warning.
Ang parusa namin ay fine at ito ay magre-range ng mula 50 mil hanggang 50 milyones.
Malacanang Palace, however, assured that the predicaments of power distribution companies will not be ignored.
The objective is to lower electricity rates, and I ask for patience and cooperation of all stakeholders while we craft the policies. So, lahat po ito ay inaaral at bubuuin po ng hindi naman po masyadong burdensome din sa iba nating mga kababayan at sa mga investors and utility companies.
DOE Secretary Sharon Garin also said they are already studying the ERC regulations and other policies. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.